My video guide will provide you with detailed guidelines on how to remove the ransomware called PayMe100USD. This ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, but unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware, PayMe100USD, may be easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users would realize that they can no longer access their files because of this horrible ransomware. So it actually encrypts files and appends this special PayMe100USD extension to all the file names. The ransomware also drops this ransom note, PayMe100USD, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid in the amount of $100 for file recovery, supposedly, but paying the ransom actually does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing without getting your data recovered. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend you to actually research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Initially, as I said, quick scan option is only available. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. So then, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the files from being damaged in the future. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always under the protection in the future.